Shape of a body is very important and so are the ideal proportions. And buttocks play a very important role in giving that ideal shape or proportion to the body. Some patients may be lean, thin and very athletic, but they may have a flat buttock which does not give them a very attractive look. Here the role of a skilled cosmetic surgeon comes into play, who through specialized fat transfer technique can give a rounded, smooth transition from a lower back to a buttock and enhance that part of buttock to give you an aesthetically pleasing look through a procedure called Brazilian butt lift. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Diksha Dixit, a cosmetic plastic surgeon and director and co-founder of the Aesculpir Clinic at Delhi. Shape of a body is very important and so are the ideal proportions. And buttocks play a very important role in giving that ideal shape or proportion to the body. Some patients may be lean, thin and very athletic, but they may have a flat buttock which does not give them a very attractive look. Here the role of a skilled cosmetic surgeon comes into play, who through specialized fat transfer technique can give a rounded, smooth transition from a lower back to a buttock and enhance that part of buttock to give you an aesthetically pleasing look through a procedure called Brazilian butt lift. Brazilian butt lift is a specialized fat transfer technique performed by skilled plastic surgeons who liposuck the fat from specific areas like hip, thigh, lower back, abdomen and transfer it strategically to your buttocks to give you an enhanced smooth contour and a smooth transition from the lower back. It is done without the use of any implants in the buttocks. Shape and proportions of your buttocks depends on many factors like genetics, your ethnic background, your skeletal framework and the stores of body fat in your body and where they are present. A patient may adapt a healthy lifestyle in terms of diet and exercise and may lose weight. But on losing weight, they might end up having a flat buttock which is not desirable as for an ideal body shape. So these patients are desirable for an enhancement of a buttock, which can be efficiently done by strategically placing the unwanted fat from one part of your body and transferring it to your buttocks to give you a good aesthetically pleasing look. What are the advantages of a Brazilian butt lift? It gives you a desirable, attractive look. That is the foremost thing. But apart from that, it also helps you drape certain clothes in a better way. It gives you a young, youthful, enhancing the hourglass appearance, which is a sign of youth and more desirable for many females. It is also considered as a sign of beauty in certain ethnic forms like American African females. So this Brazilian butt lift is most desirable in these females. Uses of a Brazilian butt lifts are many. It helps you drape certain clothes in a better way. It gives you an enhanced, aesthetically pleasing look which gives you a youthful appearance. It helps reduces unwanted fat from the areas which they are not wanted and helps in enhancing those areas in which fat can help. So strategically using your fat is what Brazilian butt lift is about, and that is the advantage of Brazilian butt lift, that it does not use any foreign material to enhance your looks. You are generally a good candidate of Brazilian butt lift if you want an enhancement of your buttocks without implants, if you have a general good skin tone of your buttocks, and when you have regional deposits of fat elsewhere in the body so that they can be harvested to enhance your buttocks. Apart from this, patients who have realistic expectations from Brazilian butt lift are ideal candidates, and also patients who are willing to lie down on your stomach for a while and not put weight on the buttocks for some weeks are the candidates who can undergo Brazilian butt lift. There are in general three ways of enhancing the look of our buttocks. One is Brazilian butt lift, the other is by implant, and the third is by the lower body lift procedure. All these procedures are done for different indications. A Brazilian butt lift is indicated when you have adequate amount of fat in rest part of your body which are unwanted, and you can remove from that part of the body to use it to enhance your buttocks. And you have a good general skin tone without much sagging of your buttocks. It will augment in volume, but it will not help lift your butts as much. Vis-a-vis, if you have lot of sagging of your buttocks and flat buttocks, then you must consider a lower body lift procedure to enhance your lower back and butts at the same time to lift it. In patients which do not have much sagging skin but have a flat buttocks, along with that they have a lean thin body from where the fat cannot be harvested. In them, the only option to enhance buttocks is through foreign implants. Recovery generally depends upon the compliance of the patient. Usually you are not allowed to sit for at least 2 weeks post procedures, and then gradually you can modify your sitting positions after 2 weeks under the guidance of your expert. We usually fill the buttocks more than what the results we want, because there is certain amount of fat absorption which occurs post-operatively. So you expect certain amount of swelling in due course of time, which reduces, and the final results you get is usually in 3 to 6 months. Buttocks is a very vascular area. It is a very complex procedure, though it may sound to be very simple one, but it has to be performed by a skilled plastic surgeon. So please have a detailed consultation with your plastic surgeon before undergoing your Brazilian butt lift. Do consider your post-operative recovery period and how compliant you can be with your Brazilian butt lift position post-surgery. Also, know in what settings or equipped facilities your surgeon is performing the surgery. Placing the fat in strategically good position to give you a desired result requires a good knowledge and years of experience to do this procedure. So please choose your surgeon wisely and at a facility where it is fully equipped to handle any kind of side effects and complications for the same. Hope I am able to solve much of your queries regarding Brazilian butt lift, and you by now may have a little overview of what Brazilian butt lift is. So if you have any queries regarding this Brazilian butt lift or any associated aesthetic surgery procedure you want us to make a video on, please feel free to write to us. You can also follow our YouTube channel for any further updates, and can also follow our Instagram handle by the name of _Aesculpir. You can also contact us on the number given below for any plastic surgery related queries. We will be very happy to help you. Thank you.